The history of origami. Origami is the Japanese art of paper folding. Ori is the Japanese word for the folding, and kami is the Japanese word for paper. At first, there was very little paper available, so only the rich could afford to do paper folding. The Japanese found useful purposes for their origami. For example, the samurai would exchange gifts with a form known as a nashi. This was a paper folded with a strip of dried fish or meat. It was considered a good luck token. As easier paper-making methods were developed, paper became less expensive. Origami became a popular art for everyone, no matter if they were rich or poor. The crane is one of the most popular origami shapes today. The crane has also become a global peace symbol. As trade routes were developed, the art of origami was introduced to Europe and later the United States. Today, master paper folders can be found in many places around the world. The interest in origami continues to increase today and will hopefully continue to be a part of our world's culture. The end.